In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then reach Wallpaper tab, and now click on Choose a new wallpaper. And here you can pick one from Dynamic, Stills or Live wallpapers. I will go with Stills, and just pick the one that you would like to apply to your device. So we can choose, for example, this one, click on Set Then, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. From now on, your home screen and also lock screen are covered with this brand new picture. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.